Hello, welcome to this video. In this video we want to talk about the ultrasonic sensor and Arduino in the Tinkercad. So without wasting time, let's go to create a project, create a circuit. As I explained for you, this is the main page of the Tinkercad, so you should find your component first. So let's go to Arduino. We can move it here. Then we need the ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor. Then bring it here. Then if you want to turn, you can bring here or you can bring here. If you want to turn, you can follow this button and you can turn based on your design and your. So we have a 4 pin here. We have the ground should be connected to the ground in Arduino. If you want to connect the ground in the ultrasonic sensor with the Arduino, you should to use this line. If you click on the pin, then adjust based on the distance. So you can choose the color. If you want to change the color, you can go here and can change to different color as you want. Okay, so we have a ground is clear. VCC is power supply. Just click from here and try to connect. When you want to design, try to make a nice design and connect to power supply 5 volt here. Make it nice design. If you want to, can adjust like this and change the color to another things. So we have 2 pin, TRIG and ECHO. So this one input and output. So ECHO can be connected to the one of the pin here, for example pin number 9. So okay, you can adjust the color. How was it? Okay. Also you can connect to pin number 10. Later change the color. That's it. You want to adjust change the color to something like a green color. Okay, this one need to adjust like this. None looks fine. So everything is done. Now is the next step is to adjust the code. So if you remember, we have the 3 button here: code, simulation, and set to. So if you go to code, then go, this is the block diagram. Then you can go to the text if you have the code. So this one previous code, I think for LED. So you need to bring the code from the ultrasonic. I will add this one in the subscription. You can use this one. Okay, you can replace by the previous code and paste here. Okay, let me briefly explain for you. So the pin here, ECHO pin here is 2 and TRIG pin is 3, but here you can put 2 and 3, no issue. You put it 9 and 10, you can adjust. It's ECHO is pin 9 and TRIG is pin 10 here, but you can adjust if you want, whatever you want. Then for the the aim of the ultrasonic sensor is to detect the object. We usually use the ultrasonic sensor if you want to detect some object nearby. How is the distance, how far from the ultrasonic or system. We use the ultrasonic sensor. So for example, we can use for the room. If someone inside the room, we can use the ultrasonic sensor to detect if someone in the room. Okay, so this is the aim of the ultrasonic. So we need the distance and duration. So why this is the Arduino sensor using the TRIG and ECHO to detect the object. It means by sending some sound and reflection is measured based on the distance and duration to reach to the object. So for ultrasonic, distance and the duration is important. Based on the distance and duration of the sending and receiving, is calculate where is the location of the object. So in this loop, what setup we mentioned, which one is output, which one is input, and this is for communication port. So we have one loop here. So for this loop, we mentioned in the initial step the trig in the low level, and delay is 2 seconds. So the only thing we need to adopt, so we have the formula here that ultrasonic calculated distance, how far the object from the ultrasonic. So based on the duration and the speed of the sound, and divide 2 because it's calculate the return. So it divided to 2 because ultrasonic sending the sound and again receiving after the object, then is divided to 2 to calculate the distance the object. So let's go to run the simulation. Let's open here. So let me move a little bit here. Oh, sorry. Okay, now it's okay. Now I start the simulation. Okay, now we have the object here. Now we have the object here. It's showing the distance. So let's go to run one more time here. So we have some error because we need to update the code for the echo for and trigger. Is it correct? Then we go to start again. Again we have the error. So it is showing the distance now. If we go to click on the ultrasonic and the object, this is looks like the object. You can see it's different. So ultrasonic sending the sense to the object, and this speed based on the speed of the sound, and the return calculated where is the location of distance of the object to the ultrasonic. This is very basic and you can use for different project and different application. So hope this one helpful for you and you can use for your project. If you need any question, do let me know. I will provide this code for you. You can use it for your project.